Hello and welcome to Mining Review Africa, and today I'm speaking to Jorge Abelho, who's the Director of Technical Support at Pilot Crushtec, and we are talking about the importance of front-end engineering and design. George, always great to chat to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, let me start by asking you, how important is feed in ensuring crushing and screening plants are correctly specified for customer specific application? And what are some of the key factors that Pilot Crushtec considers during the stage of a project?
Okay, so the front-end design is critical. It actually determines the rest of the plant. It's got a very big knock-on effect. And if it's not done correctly, then afterwards to try and compensate for it or to modify the plant becomes a major issue. So from our side, to help with the front-end feed design, we have these set little rules that we go through, like what kind of product you're trying to do, how you're feeding it. So from our side, we like to understand what's going into the plant, because then we can select the equipment correctly and you can predict the outcome. So if it's an unknown going in, very difficult to give you a predictable result coming out.
Now, George, can you discuss the role of Pilot Crushtec's in-house engineering expertise and the role it plays in developing engineer-to-order solutions, particularly for complex or non-standard applications?
Okay, so our engineering expertise goes back a number of years. So we've been doing the same equipment. We kind of like specialized in this field. So the guys are quite experienced. Very little applications that come up that we haven't done in the past. And then we've designed the equipment in a modular type of way. So we try to reuse standard pieces of equipment in the design and the layout, so there's very little unknown. We try have machines that are modular, that can work in different applications. It becomes very easy to support afterwards. We know how the machines are going to perform, so there's very little risk or unknown for us when it comes to the plant layouts, because it's standard equipment which can be customized, so it's no really unknowns or gray areas for us.
Okay. One final question, George. Now, mining and quarrying operations often present unique operation conditions and also production challenges. What is Pilot Crushtec's approach to the customization of solutions to ensure that equipment is correctly aligned with site-specific conditions?
Has to be correctly aligned to get the best out of the equipment. And so it comes a lot down to the design intent of the equipment. So right from the word go, when we're designing the machines, we're trying to design it for Africa, for certain site conditions, for certain maintenance schedules and things like that. So we design it, we take a lot of care in designing the machines. We don't do a lot of machines. We do a specific machine, a niche, and then we perfect that over years, and we keep building that same model. And then we might add little adaptations to it and small customization for specific sites and things like that. Just makes the support, the reliability a lot easier. The technicians know it, the spares are standard. So it's a very small customization for the different sites. But it comes already from the design intent. Initially up front, we try and make this machine as standard as possible.
Great stuff. Well, George, always great chatting to you. Thank you for your insights and for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.